Hi everyone, I'm back. I wanted to do a couple more questions. So I'm on Unit 4, Day 4 notes. I just finished problems 1 and 2, so I wanted to do 3 and 4. So number 3, which transformation would result in the perimeter of a triangle being different from the perimeter of its image? So if you look at these 4 choices, we want different perimeters. I'm hoping you realize that a dilation is the only one that's going to change the size of a triangle. So if you look at all of these choices, the point xy is going to yx, x negative y, 4x, 4y, or x plus 2, x minus 5. I'm hoping you realize choice 3 is a dilation. Scale factor is 4, and you're multiplying every coordinate by 4. So that's how you answer that question. And then I'm going to flip, do problem 4. Triangle A prime, B prime, C prime is the image of triangle ABC after a dilation followed by a translation. All right, we need a picture. All right, so I'm going to just start with triangle ABC. Here's A, B, C. I am going to do a dilation. I'm going to say my scale factor is 2. So I'm going to make it bigger. And then we're also doing a translation. So I'm also going to just translate it down. So I'm going to say we're moving to the right and down, and I'm going to make it 2 times as big. So here's A prime, B prime, C prime. All right, which statements would always be true with respect to the sequence of transformations? So, first choice is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. That is not true because a dilation changes size. They are not congruent. Choice 2, ABC, so triangle ABC is similar to A prime, B prime, C prime. That is true. Line segment AB is parallel to line segment A prime, B prime. That is true because when you dilate and a segment, you get a parallel segment. When you translate something, it's just sliding down. So that is true. And then choice 4, it's just talking about the length from A to A prime. Is that going to be equal to the length from B to B prime? So if you thought about that, this length compared to that length, that is not true. So it looks like we want the choice that has 2 and 3, so it's multiple choice answer 3. All right, now I want you to finish all the problems in these notes. The answer keys are on the classroom page. So do them, check your answers, and that's it for the day. All right, so I hope you all have a wonderful holiday break. Enjoy your 2 weeks off, and I'll see you next year. Bye.